Viruses. Brief historical review. Since antiquity, people have been suffering from infectious diseases and epidemics due to ignorance about how such diseases are caused and how these spread to become epidemic. In 1676, Dutch naturalist Antony van Leeuwenhoek discovered an important secret of nature: the existence of minute, invisible organisms which can be observed not only by naked eyes but only under the microscope. He had observed certain microorganisms, bacteria, protozoans, etc., in pond water and other liquids under his microscopes. He called these organisms the little animalcules. This discovery earned the title of father of microbiology for Leeuwenhoek. Although the foundation of microbiology as separate branch of biological studies was laid long after in middle of 19th century by French scientist Louis Pasteur. During 18th 19th centuries, many types of bacteria were discovered, and it was established that the bacteria are the simplest and the smallest organism upon our earth, having a cell-like body. By the beginning of 20th century, a number of infectious diseases of man and cattle had been proved to be caused by bacterial pathogens. Still, there remained several infectious human diseases like measles, smallpox, chickenpox, influenza, mumps, rabies, common cold, yellow fever, etc., for which bacterial cause could not be established, and search for alternative pathogens continued. During his investigations to find out the cause of rabies hydrophobia in dogs, Louis Pasteur suspected that this disease could be caused by some unknown pathogen which is not visible under the microscope and hence is smaller even than the bacteria. Only a few years later, in 1892, Russian biologist D.J. Ivanovsky similarly suspected that the mosaic disease of tobacco leaves is caused by an invisible ultramicroscopic pathogens much smaller than bacteria. To confirm his suspicion, he extracted the juice of some diseased leaves, filtered the juice through fine porcelain bacterial filters. Such filters were made in Pasteur's laboratory to filter out all bacteria from the juice and then rubbed the filtrate upon healthy leaves. The leaves became infected and developed the disease. Existence of pathogens smaller than bacteria was thus established. Later, these pathogens were named viruses, meaning poison, and the credit of their discovery went to Ivanovsky. Investigating the tobacco mosaic disease under Dutch scientist Beijernik, 1898, confirmed Ivanovsky's observation to the bacteria-free filtrate that contained the tobacco mosaic virus, TMV. Beijernik gave the term contagium vivum fluidum, meaning living contagious fluid. Soon after, the other scientists some important viruses, and the scientists who recognized it. Loeffler and Frost, 1897, foot and mouth disease of cattle in Germany. Walter Reed, 1902, yellow fever of man in Cuba. Lance Steiner and Popper, 1909, poliomyelitis in man. Peyton Ross, 1911, sarcoma, that is cancer, in foals. Watt in 1915 and D. Harrell in 1917 discovered that virus also attacked bacteria, causing lysis, that is decomposition of the host bacterial cells. These viruses are called bacteriophages or simply phages.